Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this YouTube channel basically talks about advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We basically talk about social media marketing and how you can leverage Facebook and Instagram and other platforms to grow your business and improve your sales. We also talk about tips. We share, advice basically about business. So if you're a business owner or you're an entrepreneur, you're welcome to this platform. You're welcome to this channel. And if you are someone who is just joining us for the very first time, it's the first time you're seeing this page, thank you so much for coming. I'm sure that you're going to find value on this channel. And now, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch this video. Yes, I appreciate everyone, whether returning or new. Now, in this video that you're about to see right now, you're going to be learning how you can edit your Instagram ad that is ongoing. Now, I actually lost a bet that I had with a client. Now, I had a session with this client and we had a bet on her being able to edit an ongoing advert. She kept on arguing with me that it is possible I can edit my advert, even while it is ongoing. And I kept explaining, like, are you sure is this that I was talking about? Are you sure you're not saying something else? But I said, okay, I will give you 500k if you can edit. You can show me that you can edit an ongoing ad. Now, I went into that bet because I felt like, this wasn't possible. I've not been able to do this, and a lot of people that I know also have been complaining about not being able to do this because the Instagram ad tools does not work when you try to do that. So I'm wondering, how exactly is it that it's possible for her to achieve this? So I went into that bet with every confidence that I had, 500k on the table, with every confidence that I had. And so lo and behold, she sent me a video, and in that video I saw her editing an Instagram ad that was ongoing, active, right? She changed the budget and the duration of the advert right before my very eyes. And I want to show you the same thing right now. And because I'm sure you will learn from it, and I'm sure it will help you a whole lot, especially if you, when you start running your ads and then your ads start to deliver value. When you find that ad that is already working, but the thing could be that either you set a small budget or you set a small duration most of the time, and then now, because the ad is working, you want to increase the duration so that you can keep getting results like that, you can keep increasing and all that. I want to show you exactly how you can do this on your Instagram app. This is going to be very, very useful to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Instagram page, which I'm sure you can see on either side of my screen. You'll be able to see that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to any of the posts that I have currently. Just go to my home page or go to my notification, and at the top of my notification you will see ads, right? Recent activity from your ads. You might not have that, but anyway, you can go to the ad that you're currently running and you can just click on that ad, right? So I'm going to go to my ad tools. That's just go to your ad tools, right? When you go to your ad tools, come down to the existing ad that you're running, right? I have two that is here, so I'm going to use one as an example. So what I'm going to do is, usually what you use the ad tools to do is to view insights. You will see your ad insights, how your ad is performing, what your ad is doing currently, and all the breakdown. Yes, but what we're going to do here is we want to edit this ad. This ad is ongoing, and we want to edit it because, let's say I want to extend the budget and I want to extend the duration. Now, you cannot reduce, you can only extend. So what I'm going to do, you see where it says audience, ad goal, audience, budget and duration. So I'm going to click budget and duration. So what I can actually do is I can increase by dragging, increase my budget, and I can increase by dragging, increase my duration. Now you're seeing the red over your spending limit. That's because the money I have is not enough. So that's why you're saying that. So I'm not going to do this actually because I'm not interested in doing this, but I just showed you that. Now, after you have done that, what you're going to do is that you're going to hit save. Now, when you hit save, what happens is that this is going to be saved and your advert will continue like that. So now, before now, I have not seen this work for anybody. Until I had that bet with the client and that client came, showed me the video. Apparently, she has had that feature for a while. Probably it's been malfunctioning. The ad tools has been malfunctioning, and now they've sorted the whole thing and it's working fine just as it should. Because I mean, I believe that normally you should be able to edit an ongoing ad and change the budget and change, because that is what is called advert optimization. When they say optimize your advert, or how do you optimize your advert to get more results, this is exactly what you're supposed to do. When your ad is showing you little glimpses of results, trinkets of results, what you can do is you can up the budget or up the duration of this advert, and you can multiply the result that you're getting, right? So this is exactly what ad optimization is basically about, right? I hope this video has helped you. You can watch it again if you have to, and if you have any questions or you want me to record a video or a topic, please leave it in the comment section. I'll try to record a video on that topic as quick as I can. I'll do that. So please share this video with other people. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done that. Turn on the notification bell so that you can also get notified on my future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate that, and I'm see you in another video. Thank you so much, and bye.